So everything is becoming code. Everything in the IT space is starting to be defined as code. As Mark Anderson said, software is eating the world, and he's not wrong. It really is. Software is everywhere. If you can even take that a step further, and if you look further down the line over to the horizon, you'll actually see that artificial intelligence is eating software, because we're getting to a point now where we're already seeing artificial intelligence helping us actually write our code, which is an amazing concept. So infrastructure as code and configuration as code move us closer to a pure as code future where everything literally is code. Our software is code, obviously. Our infrastructure is code. Our configuration is code. And it won't be long before we start defining things like actual physical buildings as code, where we have robots that can build our buildings for us, and we code the building, tell the robot what to do, and off it goes, build stuff. So we're moving towards that future where everything is going to be code. And the as code movement is actually moving us closer to a purer, overarching, complete DevOps solution. So our existing DevOps solution is great. It's good what we have, but it's not perfect. And with IAC and CAC, with code now controlling everything, we're actually going to see a much better DevOps sector, a much healthier DevOps sector. And so to summarize, infrastructure as code and configuration as code is essentially abstracting away the construction and configuration of our infrastructure and up with code.